This 2024 Renegade Veracruz 30VRM is a Super CRV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade and features a HAMPTON interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunk over cab, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2024 Renegade Veracruz 30VRM is built on a F550 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.